Today, we are going to open a Pusheen Blind Bag. Yay! But then. We are going to make a Pusheen Blind Bag. Yay! Double yay! Okay, Pusheen Blind Bag. We can get common, we can get rare, we can get epic, we can be amazing. Everybody cross your fingers. Okay, let's see what we got. You got... Amazing! Yay! Okay, let's open our Pusheen Blind Bag. Snip. Oof. Snip. Dun. What did we get? Maybe I gotta rip this. I wonder what we got. Everybody, do you see? Can you predict what we got? We got this thing, kind of sticky. Guys, this is so cute. A Pusheen pillow. Drinking boba, my favorite drink in the whole wide world. Oh my god, that's so cute. Please keep watching to find out how to make this such a cutie, okay? Guys, you should be so excited because we're gonna make our Pusheen Blind Bag now. Yay! Okay, now first we gotta see what materials we need. You probably have all these materials at home, but just in case you don't, you can just go run to the store and go get some. Whatever, that's a whole nother story. Let's see. We need some polyfill. And then we need some mochas, black ones, and rainbow ones. Okay. Some scissors. I'm gonna cut you in half. Okay, and now we're also gonna need a hot glue gun. And mine says pink. That looks purple, but it's pink actually. Look, it's pink. Okay, so my hot glue is pink, but any color works. And of course, we need paper. Okay, so let's get started. First, we are going to get a piece of paper. We're going to fold our piece of paper in half. Like, if you're not new to my channel, then you know that every time we make a blind bag, we fold it in half. Now, we're going to take our black marker right here, I think. And we're going to write Pusheen Blind. Okay. And now we're going to write blind bag because it's a blind bag. Now I'm so excited for this, guys. So I'm going to draw like an exclamation point there. Okay. Now I'm going to get some good at gray because Pusheen's gray. Like, obviously, Pusheen's like gray. Okay, now I have our Pusheen Blind Bag. I'm going to draw a little heart here with some cat ears on top. Okay. Now we are going to make like the Pusheen right here and then write what we can get. So first, I'm going to write right here what we can get. So remember our rule. We take our black marker and we write 4 circles. The first one, the second one, the third one, and then the 4th one. Okay, the first one is going to write common. Okay, now we're gonna do the second one. And do you guys guess it? Yes, it's rare. Then it's epic. And then it is amazing. Now, whoever this person is that you're giving this, or if you really want amazing, because amazing is like the rarest one you can find. So yeah, that's why. Now we're gonna color it, and I kind of like this color. Like it's kind of like a bluish, grayish color, but I'm gonna use these two colors. But some of you might ask, hey, there's 4 spaces. Why do I need 2 colors? Well, I'll show you. First space, we're gonna color in this gray. Second space, we're gonna color in this, like bluish gray color. And then third space, we're gonna color it like this. We're gonna color like these checkers on in this gray. And then to make it a little more interesting to you guys, I'm gonna add some colors. Okay, there, epic. And then for amazing, I love hearts. So I'm gonna add like this and then a heart inside. Okay, we are going to draw Pusheen right here. It's gonna be mini. Now, do you guys need me talking? Well, I don't think so. So you can just look at me draw, and if you need more time, you can pause the video. Ta-da! We're done with our Pusheen. Look how fast that went. Okay, now let's color it. So to tell you guys, but I'm supposed to color this heart pink. But purple is a darker color than pink, and I want it to cover. So that's why I'm gonna use purple. I'm gonna draw a little heart representing I love Pusheen because he's so cute. Okay. We have it. Okay, like I say, I like to put just a little space where we can put our stuff in. So that's why I'm going to be using a hot glue gun. Now, some of you might only have glue, and that's okay too, because glue works perfectly fine too. And the hot glue is just a little better, but you can use what you have at home. Now hot glue is super hot, so I'm probably gonna need something to help with. And these are super easy to get off. So if your parents or stuff don't like you getting the table messy, you can get these off and prove it to them. Okay, so now we're gonna seal this part too. Maybe there's also gonna be a thing. And then here is all the space we can get our surprises. Okay, so now let's get started. First, we're going to grab a piece of paper. We're going to fold it in half. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut it like a square. Ta-da! That looks perfect. Okay. Now we're going to get our marker, like black marker, like our Sharpie, like I'm using Sharpie, but you can use any black marker. And we're gonna draw Pusheen holding a boba tea. You can make Pusheen hold anything, but boba tea is so good, and you always see Pusheen around with boba tea. So today, I'm gonna draw boba tea. Okay, let's get started. Let's draw the ears. Let's draw ear, another ear, and then let's draw. Okay, look, perfect. Now we're gonna color it. again. So I think like that gray was like not so good. So like let's get like another gray. Is this gray good? Do you guys think it's good? I think it's pretty good. Okay, let's start. And then, ta-da, we have this. Now I'm gonna decorate this by putting like, you guys can see the final result right there. So I'm gonna decorate this by putting like some strips of gray right here. Ta-da! I'm gonna draw a heart here to patch up the space. But anyways, that's looking so good. Now we are going to take our hot glue gun and we are going to do the sides. Again, we have to use a marker or we might burn ourselves like I did this morning. Okay, now we're gonna take this little fluff polyfill. Gonna fill it up because it's called polyfill. The satisfying part is not just filling it up, but it's to squish it. I love the feeling of squishing it. And now, for the finishing touch, we're gonna add this. And look, this is like a little pillow that is so cute. Guys, what if this was Pusheen's pillow? That would be funny. Now we always have to put this little pillow cutie back into our bag. So. Okay, now this blind bag will be waiting for someone special. But you guys might think that I forgot something. And actually, I did. Okay, so now we're gonna take this. Yeah, I forgot to tell you what we forgot. Forgot to tell each other what we got. But I already sealed it. Well, that's no problem, because we can put it, I have a new idea for you guys. Okay. We're gonna glue this on somewhere first. So we're gonna put hot glue at the back. We're gonna glue it on the cover, like this. Okay, so we're gonna write "you got" right here. This is to tell the person what you got. And then inside, we're gonna say what we got. Let's think. What do I want this person to have? I'm gonna be nice and give this person amazing. Okay. Now, you have your super cute Pusheen Blind Bag with a little pillow inside. So, thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe. Pusheen's asking you to subscribe, please.